Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to change the captions text size on the Facebook app on your PC using the latest update. If you've ever struggled to read captions because they're too small or too large, this setting is exactly what you need. Facebook has made it simple to adjust caption size so you can customize your viewing experience. Let's go step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This section controls how content appears across your Facebook experience. Next, go into Accessibility Settings. This is where Facebook groups all features designed to improve usability and visibility. Now, look for Video and Motion and click on it. Inside this section, you'll find settings related to how videos behave and how captions are displayed. Then, select Captions Display. This is where you can control how captions look when you're watching videos. After that, click on Text Size. You'll now see different size options available. Choose the size that feels most comfortable for you, whether you prefer something larger for better readability or smaller for a cleaner look. Once you've selected your preferred text size, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your captions will now appear in the size you selected whenever you watch videos on Facebook. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tips like this to get the most out of your apps.